The 2026 Mercedes-Benz six-wheel vehicle features a bold and authoritative design that instantly sets it apart from conventional SUVs and trucks. Its extended body and six-wheel configuration create a powerful stance, emphasizing strength, balance, and extreme capability. The exterior combines rugged proportions with refined Mercedes-Benz styling, including muscular body panels, high ground clearance, and a purposeful front fascia. This design communicates durability while still maintaining a premium and sophisticated presence. Interior. Inside, the cabin reflects Mercedes-Benz commitment to luxury, comfort, and practicality. High-quality materials are used throughout, creating an environment that feels both refined and functional. The spacious layout offers excellent seating comfort, advanced climate control, and modern digital displays that keep the driver informed and connected. Despite its off-road focus, the interior remains quiet and well-insulated, making long journeys comfortable and relaxing. Performance. Performance is a defining strength of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz six-wheel vehicle. Its powerful engine delivers strong torque and reliable output, ideal for heavy loads and challenging terrain. The six-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, allowing the vehicle to move confidently across sand, mud, snow, and rocky surfaces. Advanced suspension technology ensures smooth performance both off-road and on paved roads, blending raw capability with controlled driving dynamics. Safety features. Safety is integrated through a combination of intelligent systems and robust construction. The vehicle includes advanced driver assistance technologies designed to improve control and awareness in demanding conditions. Stability management, traction control, and terrain-focused driving aids help maintain confidence in extreme environments. The reinforced body structure further enhances occupant protection, reflecting Mercedes-Benz dedication to safety without compromise. Market position. In the market, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz six-wheel vehicle occupies a unique and exclusive position. It targets buyers who demand exceptional off-road capability while still expecting premium comfort and brand prestige. This model appeals to adventure-focused individuals, professionals, and enthusiasts who want something beyond traditional luxury SUVs. It stands as a niche yet highly desirable offering within the high-end utility vehicle segment. Outro. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz six-wheel vehicle represents a bold expression of engineering excellence and innovation. By combining extreme capability with refined luxury and advanced safety, it delivers a driving experience unlike any other. This vehicle is not just about transportation, but about confidence, exploration, and redefining what a luxury performance machine can be.